Is your home ready for Fairfield's next big rainstorm? Don't let faulty gutters turn your home into a water park. At George's Seamless Gutters, we're not just fixing gutters, we are protecting your biggest investment. Here's what makes us the go-to for gutter installation in Fairfield. Our entire team is in-house. No subcontractors ever. Lightning-fast response times. Most customers hear from us within 24 hours. Unbeatable range. From seamless to oversized, copper to aluminum, we do it all. Speaking of range, let's talk options. We offer K-style and half-round gutters, box and radius designs for unique architectures, materials including aluminum, copper, galvalume, and galvanized steel. And don't forget gutter guards. They are like a shield for your gutters, keeping leaves and debris out while letting water flow freely. But we are more than just installation. Need a thorough gutter cleaning or a quick repair? We've got you covered. Our expert team brings years of experience to every job. We're committed to exceptional craftsmanship and top-tier customer service. Serving all of Fairfield County, we are your local gutter experts. Whether you are in Stamford, Norwalk, or Bridgeport, we're just a call away. So, Fairfield County, ready to upgrade your home's defense system? Join the countless satisfied homeowners who have trusted George's Seamless Gutters. Don't wait for the next downpour. Call George's Seamless Gutters today.